The police at the State House have arrested a 40-year-old Harare man for invading the State House, demanding to see President Mnangagwa. Sanabada mashoko ari nyuka panapa patoona kuti aiwa pane this 40-year-old guy anoclaima kuti he is the son of the president. Panapa uya chibatoni wakomana kusvika azosima unobva subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipina pana munhu wamuchinzi. This is the second time Felix Togarasei Magurei has done so within a few months. In the first incident, Magure allegedly stormed the State House armed with various weapons, including a S-Jambok, claiming Mnangagwa was his father. He appeared at the Harare Magistrate Court on Tuesday, facing a charge of trespassing after his latest attempt to force entry on December 23. He was remanded in custody until January 7 next year. The court heard that on December 23, 2024, at about 1 p.m., Magure drove a Toyota Hilux Raider, registration number FU0592 to State House, Harare. Upon arrival, he parked at the visitors' entrance and confronted police officers demanding to see Mnangagwa. It was not stated why he wanted to see the president. Magure allegedly forced entry to the premises after overpowering a police officer, leading to his arrest. Prosecutors said there were witnesses who saw the accused committing the offense, and Magure was also captured on video, which will be produced in court as evidence. On May 7 this year, Magure was arrested after a similar attempt to force entry at the State House, demanding to see the president. Thomas Kwanobuda anyogwa panapa anofambira nena unowakomana vachiti aiwa ndochitiko chiri kuitika ichi mukomana zvari kufamba achiti aiwa ndiri son with the president achizviti aiwa ndiye mwana wekunze atikuona kuti paasvika aiwa pa the State House anosvika achiarestwa nawakomana. Tize mafungiro emutikuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.